What's so special about this human being? That's you. That's me. Why? Why did God create you? And then out of 8.7 million, for you, He said this is a masterpiece. This one's amazing. When all of them are as complex as they are. Let's go back to the beginning of the story. What happened when He wanted to bring this human being into this world? Of course, the angels were like, Ya Allah, what are you doing? Oh Allah, this human being, it can create corruption. It can shed blood. He taught Adam some stuff. And then He told Adam to come. And He said, Adam, ambihum bi asma'ihim. Why don't you tell them the stuff that I have taught you? This Adam I created, he can grow. You are start at level 5, you stay at level 5. That's who you are. So the angels are. And the rest of creation. This one I created, if he starts at level 2, he can pull himself up to level 7. This is what made the human being so special. You're a human being, you get to become whatever you decide you want to become. There's a little bit of risk involved as well, because he might go on the other side. He might go the other way instead of growing. This ability is what the Quran calls the amanah, the trust. That thing that we entrusted the human being with. We presented this ability to everything in the heavens and earth and the mountains, but they didn't want any part of it. But you and I took Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala up on that deal.